So I spent some time comparing Cosmic, GNOME, and KDE Plasma to see which one is actually the lightest in real use, not just on paper. And the results are pretty interesting. Cosmic comes out on top in raw efficiency. On idle, it sits roughly around 1.3 to 1.9 GB of RAM. What stands out is that it's built in Rust with a custom compositor, so it's super lean and seems especially good for battery life on laptops. Then you've got GNOME, which is probably the most polished experience overall. But it does sit a bit higher, usually around 1.8 to 2.1 GB idle. A lot of that comes from the GNOME shell and its extension system. KDE Plasma is kind of in the middle. It can range from 1.6 up to 2.6 GB, depending on what's running. It's insanely customizable, but that flexibility adds overhead unless you strip things back. So yeah, Cosmic wins for lightweight performance, but each one has its own strengths depending on what you want.